a planet placed in the Kuiper belt and is the ninth planet from the Sun. Yama or Pluto is a dwarf planet that is the first and largest object noticed from the belt. It was discovered in 1930 and orbits for 248 years in the solar system. It is known as the dwarf planet since 2006 and has very interesting characteristics when it comes to astrology. Ancient Vedic astrology has a tradition of allocating gods to particular planets. According to Vashishta Nadi, it is said that Pluto is named Yam, the god of death and darkness. It is the ruler of the Scorpio sign along with Mars. Pluto works as the death agent, particularly pointing out the death of a desire or a wish. Pluto always works in the destructive, chaotic, sudden, cold, cyclic, and subtle ways. The higher effects of Pluto cannot be experienced by a person taken over by the material world and worldly pleasures. As per Hinduism, Pluto is considered to be Yam, who is the god of death and justice. He is the one who dispenses punishment to the wrongdoers and gives them a place in his Yamlok, also known as Narak. Yama has been appointed with the responsibility of guarding and protecting the southern direction. He is often described as a dark man riding on a bull, carrying mace to capture the souls of the dead. He is the twin of Yamuna, the river goddess. His parents are Surya and Saranyu. Saranyu is also addressed by the name of Sanjana. The story of Yama's birth is very interesting and contributes to the role he plays in the universe. Surya shined very brightly the day Yama was born. He shined so radiantly that it became very difficult for Sanjana to keep her eyes open. His glow had a blinding effect on her and she shut her eyes tightly. Surya was enraged and cursed her. This curse gave birth to Yam, who then took the responsibility of bringing order in the universe by punishing human beings for their sins and torturing their souls. According to scriptures, it is said that he was the first mortal to die and hence became the ruler of death. Chitragupta, his assistant, is another deity that is closely associated with death. Along with Yamuna, he has other siblings whose names are Revanta, Tapti, Shani, Ashwins, and Shraddhadeva Manu. He has also been mentioned in various incidents like Pandavas, Satyavan Savitri, and Markandeya. The story of Markandeya and Yama is one of the most interesting ones that you will read so far. Markandeya was a bhakta, a devotee of Lord Shiva. When his time had to come to submit to death, none of Yama's messengers could take his life. Yama had to come in person to do himself. When he tried to kill Markandeya, his nose landed on a shivling. A furious Lord Shiva emerged from the shivling and fought Yama to the point of his death. He then revived Yama and made him promise to not take Markandeya's life. Vanapuran tells the story of Satyavan and Savitri and their incidents with Yama. Savitri was a wise woman who very cleverly and with the help of her profound knowledge won back her husband's life. It was her dedication and praises which impressed Yam and made him give Satyavan a long life with Savitri. Along with the life of her husband, she also demanded her restoration of eyesight and kingdom along with 100 children for her father, 100 for her and Satyavan. He was so impressed with Yudhishthir's firmness on sticking to dharma and righteousness while answering all his 125 questions on various topics like gods, philosophies, and more. Upheaval, struggle, temptation, envy, turning point, revival, recreation are some of the significations of Pluto in a person and his behavior. It can also be noticed in activities signifying crime, underground activities like mining, minerals, and stones, etc. Scams, scandals, and under the table activities and political problems are caused by the influence of Pluto. Hence, it is also known as the planet of the underworld. One can see the effects and imagine them to be witnessing a gloomy place. Volcanic religion, ancient civilization, old shrines, natural domes, death, destruction, and grave. We can say that any big destruction is caused due to the ascendancy of Pluto. It can also be seen that Pluto is related to journeys, discoveries, inventions, and traveling. Pluto gives duality to the person wherever he settles in the horoscope. Considering the years of his orbit, it does not come off as a surprise that this planet is in fact a slow moving planet. Just like Uranus, this planet brings a sudden change in one's life, but the effects and influence of this change is far deeper and stronger than that of Uranus. The gravity of change that is brought by Pluto in a human's life is inescapable and something which a person has no choice but to accept. Unless and until this planet is strongly placed in one's horoscope, he or she will not feel its effect on their lives. Pluto works very well when placed in the 10th house of the horoscope. The person can manage two professions parallelly in a smooth and arranged manner. If Pluto is placed in the 7th house, one may have an extramarital affair. Pluto is called the last Saturnine planet in astrology. It means that the planet is gloomy, inviting seriousness and dullness. Pluto takes 12 to 31 years to make a transition from one house to another. Pineal glands are ruled by the planet. Onyx gemstone is ruled by Pluto, and it reflects upon the dual nature of the planet as the gemstone contains black and white colors existing together. Pluto can make one a master in any area. It promotes research and development and also scientific work. Just like Neptune, Pluto shows the possibility of forces, things, and life beneath the surface. It is also related to renewal and rebirth. Pluto wants one to know their inner self and inner consciousness better for their own betterment and growth. Pluto rules over masses in general rather than individuals. It also does the job of evolving one's soul for reaching its purpose in life.